To get started with AutoCount Cloud Accounting, head over to AutoCountSoft.com. From the home page, navigate to the Products section. Click on AutoCount Cloud Accounting. On this page, click the free trial button to begin your registration process. Fill in your personal details such as email address, personal name, mobile number, and preferred password. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message. Click the verification link provided to activate your account. Log in into your newly created account. Upon your first login, you'll be prompted to set up your company. Click Create New Company to begin. Select your preferred country from the drop-down list. For this tutorial, we'll select Malaysia. Now choose a plan that suits your needs. Review your product and service plan. Click Next for company detail. Enter your company name and any other relevant details. Click Next to review everything you've entered. Double-check your information, then click Confirm to finalize the setup. Your company profile is now ready. If you're a new user, the first-time guide will appear to help you explore the dashboard and get started with AutoCount Cloud Accounting.